Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off or how to remove screen recording touch point white circle in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. Suppose if you are doing a screen recording and if you are touching, if you are going to one particular items and you will always be touching on that, so that touching will be traced along with your screen recording. Okay, I show how it occurs. Okay, first usually you will go to the screen recording option, record screen, and yes, record screen is started and it's going. So whatever I go in my mobile screen, that will be recorded. And here I go to Google Chrome page and I close it and open Play Store. So whatever I go, see here, when I am touching, there will be small white circle visible. Okay, see there. Okay, so this will also be recorded along with your screen recording. Okay, I just to turn off, close this screen recording, and I play the file. And in the file, you can clearly visible that that's a white circle will also be displayed along with your recording. Okay, so if you would like to turn off or remove that screen recording white circle, as you can do it, what you have to do is, before starting your screen recording, first go to the settings of your phone. Go to the settings of your phone here, then go to shortcuts and accessibility here, and here select S capture, and here you will have one option called display touch trajectory. Just to turn off it. Okay, if it is turned on, each touch will be traced and the touch trajectory will be displaying along with your screen recording. Now if you turn off it, and that white circle, touch white circle, will not be shown on your screen recording. Yes, now do screen recording. Now I am going to start screen recording, record screen, and yes, it is started, and whatever I go, that will be recorded. And when I am touching on the display, it's not traced out. Okay, so yes, I stop the screen recording and play the file. This play will have no touch point. Okay, see here. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove screen recording white circle in your phone, that is a touch point white circle in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.